Hello, this is The Secrets of Technology brought to you by AKA Science. Welcome to Class 7, No-Bake Circuits. This class is probably the messiest of the kit, so be prepared for some cleanup time after our activities. Before we get going on the activities, remember that Class 7 is when you administer the exit surveys. It's very important that we get these back, so get them out of the way first and make sure to get them back to your site manager so we can collect the data appropriately. Now, let's start with the conductive dough. Begin by passing out the bowls and 2 calibrated cups. Distribute the flour and have the students add 1 calibrated cup of flour, half a calibrated cup of salt, and then use the other cup to add half a calibrated cup of colored water. Stir the mixture together until it dries out enough to be mixed by hand, then form the colored dough into a ball and set it aside while we mix together the insulating dough. For this, begin by passing out fresh bowls, stir sticks, and calibrated cups. Then have the students add 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of vegetable oil to the bowl. Mix it together into a runny goop. Then add another cup of cornstarch and mix it more. And then add 1 or 2 more cupfuls of cornstarch to the mix and stir until it's dry enough to knead by hand. Roll that dough into a ball, clean up the cornstarch mess, and we're going to use this and the dough from the previous activity to make ourselves a dough circuit. Begin by taking the conductive dough, in my case that would be the blue one, and split it into 2 more or less cylinder shapes. Then take your insulating dough and roll it into 1 cylinder so the 3 can be pressed together to make this unappetizing looking hot dog. Take an LED bulb and insert 1 wire into each piece of conductive dough. Remember which one is positive and which one is negative, so when we make our connection wire by winding up a piece of maker's tape and shoving it into the dough, we know which side to stick the battery to. It may take a little finagling and the result may be hard to see, but the salt in the conductive dough should provide enough of a pathway from the battery to the bulb to light it up. Don't give up, and remember it's okay to make mistakes. So if their bulb doesn't light up right away, keep trying until it does. Now clean up this mess, debrief, and we're on to our final class, Class 8.